tell me what you're gonna do tomorrow.
I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna jab to the head, then I'm gonna throw eighth to the body, and then I'm gonna move after I hit and punch the body.
What are you gonna do when you get inside?
I'm gonna open up like a son of a bitch.
Hey, Cuz, 8-second knockout, the first round. 8-second knockout. Yeah, he said, the right hand. Yeah, he did.
How you doing, Coach?